Train route reprogrammed. Good hunting.
Get to that train! We only have a few seconds before it's programmed to leave. We're off.
We've got another train approaching from the rear.
We've got company. Look alive. I got a runner! King's tracking beacon has stopped. Closing in on them.
We're pulling into the next station.
King's nearby. This is our stop. Get ready, they know we're coming. Tango breaking from cover! Contact! Those press air canisters! Tango breaking from cover! Loading! Contact! Move into the building! Bodies haven't iced yet. 10 minutes, maybe less.
I recognize his blade work. King killed these men.
Move out!
Why hasn't he handed that nuke over to the snakes? What are you waiting for?
Walker, we finally caught up with you. Traitor! I'm no fucking snake. You wasted Griff. You betrayed your brothers, your country, everything!
Hate to interrupt, but we got hostile technicals approaching fast.
Listen up. I know a way out of here, but I don't got